Hello, today we're gonna make apple oatmeal. I am Sara, welcome to our channel. If you're looking for a delicious oatmeal recipe, this one is for you. Green apple is my favorite, so I'm taking one green apple and dividing into two pieces, and then I'm gonna cube them and put it in a pan. Now I'm adding 1 cup of water to the pan and let it boil. I'm adding 2 pieces of cinnamon stick and I'm gonna take it out after a while, like 1 to 2 minutes. I'm gonna take them out. After boiling the apples for 2 minutes, I'm gonna add half cup of oats and cook them for a while. I'm adding 2 pieces of frozen banana to enhance the taste. Now I'm gonna cook them all together for 2 to 3 minutes and done. I used only half of the apple while boiling, and now I'm adding the other half to garnish it, and then gonna dribble some honey all over the top and enjoy. You can skip the honey, it will be totally healthy and super tasty.